All right, my friends, so what does your old buddy Josh have? I got a box from the Cheese Box of Lake Geneva in Wisconsin. Cheese Box of Lake Geneva. Let's see who sent me what the O-M to the G. Liam. Look at this. It's Liam. You know what that is? A cheese head. That's what the Packers wear, cheese heads. There's Maddie, there's Liam, there's Finney, there's Cavi. You don't want to be on there. All right. Matthew Gels from a cheese head. All right, then we got some, oh man, some cheese. Oh, man, Wisconsin's pretty cool. Look, Cavi. Look at that. A gift of taste. Oh, yeah. Jim's cheese, mid cheddar cheese from Wisconsin. Pretty cool. Oh, Monterey Jack cheese. Strawberry preserves. Bacon pasteurized. Of course, I like my stuff non-pasteurized. That's the way us cool kids roll. I'm just joking. I mean, I like my non-pasteurized. Finnegan. And then we got some Longhorn Colby cheese. Oh, man. Look at that. This thing is pretty cool, though. Cheese head. That's pretty cool. I'll start wearing this. Look at that. Mild cheddar cheese. Hey, what? You don't want my hat. You don't want my hat? Damn, I'm trying to do a video. So I can eat some of this on, eat some of the cheese today on some crackers. That is fantastic. You know who you are, CM in Wisconsin. Mucho gracias. Enjoy your retirement. It's very kind of you to send this to me. Much obliged. God bless. Stay warm up there, my friends. I can go eat some of the cheese. I can wear this cheese head thing. What do you think, Cav? You want to be on that video? Oh, God, Finn. Jeez Louise. Ouch. He punched me. Did you? Oh, he does not like this hat, so he punched me. Do you see that, Matt? Yeah, well, not him punching, just me being attacked. Oh boy! All right, you want to wear it? You want to be on the video? Okay, we'll see you.